Good morning, medical lovers. I'm Watson, and today we're discussing earwax. In particular, we're going to show you the most popular earwax removal videos in YouTube history. While we show you some previews, please click the subscribe button, then the bell for our videos to show up in your feed. The fifth most popular clip is only amateur footage. It comes from Kyle Davis and has over 20 million views. It's licensed by Storyful, so we can only show you a small sample of it. The fourth most popular video has 32 million views, and it shows Dr. Paul Thomas removing earwax from his wife.
I'm gonna have you hold that like that. My wife's adorable. Alright, so we're just gonna squirt gun, shoot. This is warm water. Is that hurting?
No.
Okay, this is a wax remover to try to snag that with. We're gonna see if we can just, there it is.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. That was in your ear.
Wow, yuck!
Before we move on to number 3, make sure you pick up this earwax pick from Amazon. Nice. Number 3 is from BuzzFeed with 37 million views. It shows people getting earwax removal for the first time.
Right angle hook again. Real gently. Wow.
Wow.
Kind of just finesse it out here.
Whoa. Oh my god. Oh gosh. That's an afterbirth.
Much better.
Number 2 is from Earwax Specialist with 54 million views. And number 1, surprise, is also from Earwax Specialist with 72 million views. Wow. Well, I hope you enjoyed these clips. Check out the credits to see links for the full videos. Friendly reminder, to fulfill all your popping needs, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hey folks, for a great way to remove earwax, check out this lighted pick. Its shape gives you more precision, making it less likely to push earwax farther back into your ear, which is a common problem with Q-tips. And the light helps you see what you're doing. These picks make a great addition to your medicine cabinet, so check out the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself.